In our first lesson, in these series of lessons on data representation in computer systems, we looked at binary numbers and we watched a video that explained what binary numbers are, and then we looked further about why we use binary in computer systems, and then we started to understand how place value allows us to interpret what a binary number is and also convert it into a decimal number. And we looked at place value in terms of decimal numbers, a number system that we are most familiar with, and then we looked at how it is different in binary numbers. So the first column represents ones, but because it's a base 2 system, the second column represents twos, and the third column is 4. So each time the value is duplicating. You also show that you could successfully make those conversions because you've been answering these multi-choice questions as we've been going along. In today's lesson, I'd want you to go to this section of the form, and there's a link here, and you click on that link and it should open up this game. It's called Binary Blitz, and you click Start Game. Now, at the start of the game, it gives you those place values for the binary number system. These will make it a lot easier for us to answer these questions. It's looking for the value 2, so we know we just put a 1 there, and that's correct, and demonstrates it correct by moving on the level. So it's time. So here it's asking what is the decimal value. So we'd add a 1 to a 4, that gives us 5. Adding an 8 gives us 13. 16 would give us 29. So we click here and then we enter the numbers 29 and click OK. And then you can see there's a challenge element. The longer we take, the higher these columns go up. So to speed this along, so 17, a little tip for you, look for the highest number that will go into 17. So if we move across 32 won't, so we need 16, and then 16 plus 4 gives us 17. Okay, here 4 plus 16 is 20. I'll try and speed it up a little bit now. Here 1, 5, 13, 23, 29. I hope I get this right. And then a 5 here. So you get the idea. Okay, and all the time we're keeping a score and we can see what level we're on. I'd like to see how big a score you can get in this game, and you can maybe share that with me via the email. Okay. So as I've said, this is a game, so it's a bit of fun, but hopefully it'll make you feel more confident in converting those number systems. Okay, you might surprise yourself on actually how well you can do this. Okay, so good luck.